Shakas, aloha crafty friends, it's Maka from Makaz Home. I'm here today to share with you just some Halloween stuff I've been working on, and hopefully it brings you some inspiration. But yeah, so first off, I've made these bows here. I used two different dies, the spiderweb die and then this bow bag topper. And then I received these boo sentiments in a swap last year that I did with some of my crafty friends here in Arizona. I will share a video of it here. But these are the different ones I made. And I just used the paper is from, what paper is this? The paper is from this Happy Halloween pack that I got from Tuesday Morning a while ago. But that's the paper I used. And then I just had this gold glittered paper in my stash. This is an Alina Cutto die. The web is, and then the bag topper I believe is a KS Craft die. But those were the three that I made so far. So I got those, and then I received a whole bunch because we did a die cut swap last year with my crafty friends. So I received a whole bunch of dies, and so I've been trying to use those on cards, but I brought the dies out to add like the eyes and stuff to them. And so these ugly rats I got, but I just added the red for their eye. And then I got a whole bunch of ghosties, and I just put the black paper behind those. Then let's see what else I got here. Oh yeah, some bats. I assembled some bats. So these are some of the bats that I assembled. Some of them I put jewels for their eyes. There's different size bats, like these little ones. Oh yeah, I added some of these faces. Just added white for the faces for these cats. I added some yellow cardstock for the glow for these candles, and then some black for the jack-o'-lanterns. So all of these are ready. I can use them on my projects. So I got some of that done, and then I also made a bunch of cards using some of these die cuts. Some of them I had backgrounds in my stash I could use. Whoa. I got quite a few of them. These spooky vibes was some of the die cuts that I got as well from the swap last year. And actually most of this stuff. This graveyard, the Boo to You. This was the paper pack I showed you. I just cut out the ghosts from some scrap paper, added some jewel sentiments. Some jewel flatbacks. And then this one, you got the graveyard scene in the background. And Boo to You with the ghosts. And the spooky vibes. And all of them are blank on the inside. Some of them I have added sentiments, like this one. I've added the Boo. But it's spooky vibes. And like this background paper I had in my stash. And more spooky vibes. I just made a whole bunch of Halloween cards that I could start sending out. These ghosts are actually Maker's Movement. They are not retail anymore. There's another and another one. Then a boo to you. Another spooky one. This one I made kind of pastel-y with a background that I had, and this one too, I just used a background that I had already. Yeah, so those are the things that I've been up to. I have a lot of videos I need to film and edit from scrapbook convention, which was so fun. I got to meet a YouTube friend in person, for reals, in life, touch and feel. But so stay tuned for that. And then, yeah, hope you guys are having a crafty day. For more videos like these, see here. And until my next video, shakas.